Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So I'll be showing you today how to register for Suntrust Bank's online banking services. First, you open your browser and you go to Google and search for Suntrust Bank. And once you do that, suntrust.com will be displayed. This is the official website of Suntrust Bank. So you click on that link, and once the website is loaded, you can see down here the sign on option, and here if you don't have a registered for online banking yet, you have the option to sign up. So you click on sign up now here, and you will be brought on to this next page. So here the online banking enrollment. So there are 4 easy steps. So for that you must have one of the following, which is either some form of account, and so you can choose one of the enrollment options. You already have a debit card or a loan number or account number, personal credit card or trust account. So let's just say you use the debit card. You select the debit card option, then click on begin enrollment, and after that you will have to enter your debit card number, and you enter your PIN number of your debit card, and you enter the last 4 digits of your social security number. And once you do that, once you type all these in, you will click on next, and here for security you will choose a password and a login ID for your online banking, and then for services you will choose what services you will want to